Imagine stepping into the future of luxury travel. A vehicle so massive, so elegant, and so futuristic that it feels less like transportation and more like stepping into a royal palace. Today, we're reviewing something the world has never seen before. The Millionaire's Palace on Wheels, Lexus' boldest and most extravagant creation. From the very first glance, this futuristic masterpiece demands attention. The design screams innovation, sleek curves, bold red accents, a sculpted aerodynamic body, and that unmistakable Lexus luxury DNA with its 8 massive wheels. This giant doesn't just roll down the road, it dominates it. The sheer size alone makes it look like a spaceship that landed on Earth, ready to take you on a journey into the future. Step inside, and the real magic begins. Imagine chandeliers hanging above your head, walls lined with the finest materials, and ambient lighting that makes the whole space glow like a 5-star suite. This isn't just travel. This is luxury living on the move. The Millionaire's Palace on Wheels is designed to feel like a private jet. But on land, what truly sets it apart is the technology. Inside, you'll find fully digital driver controls, AI-assisted navigation, panoramic smart windows, and even self-driving capabilities. Every detail is crafted to give its passengers ultimate comfort, convenience, and a futuristic experience. Think of it as a moving luxury hotel, but one that belongs entirely to you. Performance-wise, this beast isn't just about looks. Lexus engineers packed it with a powerful hybrid electric system to balance raw strength with smooth efficiency. Whether you're cruising down highways or pulling into the private drive of a luxury resort, the experience remains whisper quiet, smooth, and commanding. And here's the thing. This isn't just about traveling from point to point B. It's about making a statement. The Millionaire's Palace on Wheels is for those who want to be seen. For those who want the world to know they're not just living in luxury, they're redefining it. So the big question is, would you ride in one of these? Imagine pulling up to an event in this futuristic beast. Heads would turn, jaws would drop, and every camera in the room would be pointing at you. This is more than just transportation. This is history in motion. If you loved this review and want to see more insane futuristic rides like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out, because this is just the beginning. Welcome to the future of luxury. Welcome to the Millionaire's Palace on Wheels.